Well, good morning. This is the after the storm. Like, I remember when I was a kid and the tornado come through town the next morning, it was like calm. We had an amazing night last night at our live video. I can't thank you enough for the participation of just the comments that came in. And then when we offered our $25,000 house and we offered the free bay mini, the bay window and the mini split, at the end of the show, I thought we had about 10 or 12 people, and I was so thrilled at the outcome of 10 or 12 people. Well, come to find out, we have maybe exceeded 100 homes that people have called in and wanting during that hour. This is just awesome. So this is a video out to everybody. We're just so excited as a company to be able to offer this and to see what's going on with you guys. This is an email that we just sent out to everybody. I want to read this an email that if you're at work and you haven't checked your email yet and you participated last night and you want to buy a home, and this is what I wrote out to everybody and we're sending it out. I said, wow, what a sale last night, right? And I said, congratulations on purchasing a 24-foot RJO tiny home. So what's next and how do we get this going? First of all, someone from our sales department will be reaching out to you. Second, if we need to reach out to you at a specific time, let us know at the earliest convenience what works for you. So if we want to call you, we want to walk this process with you. So let us know when you're convenient, when it's convenient time for you. Third, we will need a $500 non-refundable deposit. That comes off the total price of your house. We've changed this around a little bit because we do a lot of sales throughout the year. And when we do, we had our $15,000 house. We had 300 plus contracts, but only 140, half of them came through. So we just want to make sure that you guys are serious about this. So we want to take a $500 deposit, a credit card, wire it, whatever, and that comes off the total deposit. Then we'll get the contract out to you. But we want to call you. And the reason we want to call you is because we want to make sure that you guys understand and realize the amenities that you could add to your home. If you have any questions about the home, anything that you want to talk about, the amenities is a great deal still. I mean, there's 5 of them only till the December 31st. Is that if you guys get 5, amenities, you get 25% off. And that's a great deal right now. So there's some amenities that you didn't know that was available. We're actually going to go ahead and put the bathroom sink on there, farm style sink on there, ceiling fan on there. Also, we had some great participation last night, some suggestions of people that was talking about moving the windows closer to the living room area. That's going to be done on the 24-foot. And also, we have to have 2 more plugs in the living room that we're going to run up through the floor. We're going to try to go back and get those people that we've already built a few that we're going to put in, and we'll make sure that's done too. Y'all, thank you so much for participating. I love your ideas, your comments. Again, I don't read a lot of the comments just because I don't have time throughout the day, but when we do these live comments, Amanda was just so sweet being able to read those comments, and she brings this, a life to it, and it feels like we're just really communicating with you during the live feed. I really like lives. We used to do them all the time, and last night was great. So we'll probably be coming to you more live maybe next week again. And this was fun. It was great. It's such an encouragement for the guys to know that we have people in the country that are wanting our product, wanting what we're doing. I'm learning more about you all, what you guys want, how you want things. And we're here to make a living, and we're here to provide you guys an economical home that lasts for generations. And that was the end of my email, and that is thank you for believing in our company, right? Thank you. And again, congratulations on this rare opportunity to own a tiny home that will last for generations. And it will, because there's no wood in the walls or in the roof. The rotting, the part that makes a house fall apart is usually the materials that rot. You're like wood, and moisture will destroy a home. These homes with these steel panels inside, outside, and however you see to decorate, putting wood on the outside or metal or just paint it or stucco it. There's so many things you could do with it. These homes are just great for people that need a good value home and shelter, right? And it's shelter, but it's a home. I personally live in a 16-foot tiny home. Love it. Just me, and it's suited my needs. So we're excited. Thank you guys for this. And we'll be calling you, getting this email. Wanted to let you know again, that we'll be reaching out to you, and can't thank you enough for such a great night last night for the sales. All right. Have a great day.